In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NETERR CERT common name invalid in Google Chrome. This error usually appears when there's a mismatch or problem with a website's security certificate. We'll clear old SSL information from Windows, tidy up Chrome's cached data, and make sure Chrome is fully up to date. Follow along and we'll keep everything simple and safe. Start by opening the Windows search. In the search bar, type Control Panel, then open it. Inside Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, and then open Internet Options. This is where Windows stores a lot of web-related settings used by your browsers. In the Internet Options window, switch to the Content tab. Here, you'll see a button called Clear SSL State. Click that. Clearing the SSL state removes outdated or conflicting certificate information that Windows might be holding onto, which can be a common cause of this error. When you see the confirmation, click OK and then click OK again to close Internet Options completely. Next, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. Now click Clear Browsing Data. This helps remove cached files that might be tied to an old or mismatched certificate. In the dialog that opens, leave the standard option selected and click Clear Data. Just a heads up, clearing cookies can sign you out of some sites, but it often helps ensure the fix sticks by removing stale information that Chrome may be reusing. With that done, still in Settings, scroll down to or select About Chrome. This page automatically checks for updates. If you see an update button or Chrome starts downloading an update, let it finish. Keeping Chrome updated ensures you have the latest security components and certificate handling, which is important for resolving certificate-related errors. If an update installs, Chrome may prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and let it complete. At this point, try visiting the site again. By clearing the Windows SSL state, removing cached browser data, and updating Chrome, you've addressed the most common causes of the NETERR CERT common name invalid message on your end. If the error persists only on a specific site, it could be an issue with that site's certificate configuration, not your device. But for many users, these steps clear out the mismatched or outdated certificate data and get pages loading securely again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without security warnings.